we will start now. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we go here go to maths. Let's see 24 paper first, and then we will see 25 paper. And you can solve the revision worksheet. It's entirely based on 24 and 25 papers. And if you get still any doubts, again I will take that one tomorrow. Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. The additive inverse of 10 is minus 10, because
-10.
if you add minus 10, it should be like 0. The result should be 0. So if it is like, say, they ask 10, it is minus 10. If they ask minus 10, you have to take 10. Okay.
10.
Just
Yes, sir.
opposite sign. The product of two negative integers is,
Always positive.
yeah, the product of two negative is always positive. The product of two positive is always positive.
It's always positive.
Only when there is negative and positive, and if you are multiplying, then
It's
only
negative.
it's negative. Similarly, when you add
When
two,
you add
Komal Daniel, can you go on meet?
one meet,
Voice is repeating.
voice is repeating.
Okay, when you add two positive integers, the result is positive. But when you add two negative integers, the result is always negative. And when you add positive and a
No,
negative,
sir.
sorry,
If we add two negative integers, it's positive.
no, no, it is negative. Say minus 5 plus minus 3. How much is it? It's minus 8, right? It is not positive, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Two negative integers, if you add, it's always negative. Two positive integers, if you add, it's always positive. But if you add one positive and one negative, the result can be positive or negative depending on which number is bigger. If the positive number is bigger, then the result is positive. The negative number is bigger, then the result is negative. So in this fashion, you have to remember, when you multiply two negative integers, it's always positive integer. The
Okay,
fraction
sir.
in which uh, so there is also one acronym that you need to remember: spawn. Same sign positive, opposite sign negative. In that way also you can remember. So negative into negative, positive, positive into positive, positive, negative into positive, negative, positive into negative, negative. Same sign positive, opposite sign negative. Spawn. You need to remember spawn. Okay, the fraction in which the numerator is less than denominator is called, what is it called?
One second,
It
sir.
is proper fraction. The fraction in which the numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction, and the fraction in which the numerator is greater than denominator, it is called improper fraction. Similarly, mixed fraction is like, say, 2 1 by 3. Like you got some whole number and some fraction, that is a mixed fraction. And equivalent fraction is like, say, 1 by 2 is equals to 2 by 4. Either you divide numerator and denominator by same number, or you multiply by same number. That is equivalent fraction. Okay. 5 by 7
Yes,
of a
sir.
week is dash days. So in week,
5
7 days. So you have to multiply. So
5 days.
yeah, whenever off comes, it means you have to replace that with multiplication. So 5 by 7, and in week 7 days. So you keep here 7, 7, 7 gets cancelled. So it is 5 days. That is the answer. Next one, identify this property. A plus B is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is A plus B plus C. It's
Sir, it is associative
it
property.
is associative under addition. Similarly, you can have associated under multiplication, like that. Okay, this is associative property under addition. Now this one, see, a rope of 9 3 by 4 meters is cut into 6 pieces, okay, of equal length. Find the length of each piece. See, 9 3 by 4 you have to convert to proper fraction. How you will convert? 9 into 4 into 9 plus 3 by 4. 4 into 9 plus 3 in the on the numerator by 4. So it will be 39 by 4. Now you are dividing into 6 equal parts. So it is divided by 6. So it will be like 39 by 4 into 1 by 6. When there is divided between two numbers, you have to reciprocate the other one, and you have to replace that divided by with multiplication. So 39 by 4 into 1 by 6, it is 39 by 24. So each piece length is now 39 by 24. If you further divide it, 3 will go 13 times, and in the denominator it will go 8 times. So 13 by 8, or it can be like 1 5 by 8.
Yes, sir.
1 5 by 8 meter, or you can say 13 by 8 meter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bodmer's rule. So what is Bodmer's? Brackets of division, multiplication, and addition and subtraction. So whenever these all things comes, these all operations comes, first you have to solve the innermost bracket. Innermost bracket you have to solve. And innermost bracket also, if there is bar on the top, this is the bar, that one you have to solve. Afterwards, if there is a
The rest of the bracket.
rest of the bracket, and after brackets are done, you have to go with division, then multiplication, then addition, subtraction. So in this case there are no division, multiplication, they are just simply addition and subtraction. So we will solve the innermost bracket. So this is 6 plus 3 is
6 plus
9.
3 is equals to 9.
8 minus 9, how much? 8,
Sir, 8 minus 9.
how much?
8 minus 9 would be minus 1.
So you keep as it is the entire thing. 18 minus 6, okay, minus 4, minus this inner bracket, 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. So this is like minus minus 1. This minus is this minus. The entire thing will is, you have to write this entire thing again, and this minus 1. So this minus minus 1, minus into minus 1 becomes plus 1. So this will be nothing
Yes, sir.
but 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1, again you have to solve, it is 5. So it will be like 18 minus 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 18 minus 1 is 17. That is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you will definitely get problems on Bodmer's rule. Concentrate more on it, because otherwise you will not get good marks. Maths is one where you need to get like 100 out of 100, means 20 out of 20 you have to get. Okay, because
Yes,
it is
sir.
scoring. So if you give some little
It's a
attention,
scoring subject.
yeah, if you give little attention and this one, you can solve. We go to the next one. Which letters represent minus 3 and 5? So if you see here, minus 6 is this one. This will be minus 5. This will be minus 4. This will be minus 3. So minus 3 is represented by Q. And this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is represented by S. This is the answer. Q and S.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Which integers correspond to letters P and R? P is, so this is minus 6. So this will be minus 5. And this is like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. R will be 4. So P will be minus
Yes,
5
sir.
and R will be 4. Simple. This is very straightforward. You can answer it easily. Now, if they give like this is also will come definitely. Arrange in ascending order. So what you have to do, there are different ways of how you can do. I will tell you different techniques. Now at the moment, See one technique. The technique is you have to find the LCM of all the denominators. So you have 3, 15, 5, 30.
Yes, sir.
You take, divide by this thing. So 3 will go here one time, 5 will not go, and 3 will go in 15 5 times, and 3 will go in 30 10 times. Again, you have like
Yes, sir.
5 common. So take 5 common, 1, 1, 1, 2, and 2. So it is 3 into 5 into 2, 30. So what you have to do is you have to
Yes.
multiply all the numbers with the 30. So 2 by 3 into 30, 4 by 15 into 30,
Yeah, because the LCM is 30, so
yeah,
we have to
6 by
multiply.
5 into 30, and this one. So you get like this is 20, this is 8, then 36 and 1. So that means one, this one is smaller. This one is which one? 1 by 30. So 1 by 30 comes first. Next is 8 is smaller. 8 means what? This one. 4 by 15 comes next. Next is this one smaller, which is 2 by 3. And then finally 6 by 5. Okay, this is one technique.
And after we write the answer, we have to do LCM. So after we multiply it, we write the answer. So we have to write the answer in original numbers also,
Yeah,
right?
original number only you have to write. You should not write the result which you multiplied by the LCM, because they ask what is the ascending of this order. They did not ask
Yes.
like this is the intermediate computation that we have done. So you should not focus on intermediate one. You have to concentrate on the original numbers. So you have to write this order.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next one. See, whenever off comes, you have to replace off with multiplication. So this is nothing but 1 by 3, 1 by 3 into 4 by 5, which is nothing but 4 by 15. And this is nothing but 3 by 4 into 8 by 5. So here 4 will goes 2 times. It is 6 by 5. Now again you can see one thing. There are only two numbers. One is 4 by 15 and one is 6 by 5. You
6
can
by
see,
5.
you can simply say 6 by 5 is greater. Why? Because this will be 1 point something. See, if you divide 6 by 5, you get 1.2. 5 goes one time, and then 1 will be remainder. You bring 0 two times. So this will be 1.2, means more than 1. But this will be less than 1. 4 by 15 means it is point 2 something it will come. Okay, means point 0.2 means less than 1. This is more than 1. Obviously, this is greater. So you say this one
Yes,
is
sir.
greater. 3, you have to say 3 by 4 of 8 by 5 is greater than 1 by 3 of 4 by 5. In that way, you have to say finally. Okay. So the
Yes,
other
sir.
technique is you have to convert that fraction into decimal, and then from the decimal value itself you can tell exactly which one is bigger, which one is smaller. That is the other technique. Or the other technique here again, you can take here 15 and 5. You can take the LCM, which will be 15. Multiply both numbers with 15, and you know which one is greater. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This type of question will come definitely. So concentrate more on. In a class, 15 questions are there. 4 marks for correct, 2 marks for wrong, no marks for zero, unattempted, 0 marks for unattempted. Radhika attempts all questions. Means 15 questions are there. She attempted 15 questions, but only 9 are correct. So for 9, she got 4 marks. Okay, she got 4 marks. 9 into 4 plus. Now, how many she attempted? 15. 9 were correct. Means how many wrong she attempted? 6. 6 plus 6 into minus 2 marks. Minus 2 because that wrong, it is deducted. Minus 2 or means
Yes,
it is
sir.
deducted. Plus 6 into minus 2. So 9 into 4 means 36. 6 into minus 2 means minus 12. I mean, the 6 into 2 means 12. Plus into minus is minus. So 36 minus 12. She got 24 marks. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you will get bar mouse, you will get arrange in descending order. Which one is greater? You will also get this one. And we'll see the next one. Gurpreet attempted 12 questions, out of which 10 were correct. So he has given like how many? Total is 12 he attempted. So in 12, 10 are correct. So 10 into 4, because for each correct answer he got 4 marks. Plus
4 marks.
2 questions he attempted wrong, and for those he got minus 2. So 40 minus 4, it is 36. So he got 36 marks. Gurpreet, I think it should be male. Find his total score, it should be. But we don't know gender and that is not relevant. So it is Gurpreet, you say Gurpreet got 36 marks.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the question paper 1. Okay, any doubts?
No, sir.
Then we go to the next one. This one. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Reciprocal of 2 1 by 3. So here you have
So
to,
here you have to,
Komal, please go on
Komal,
mute.
please
I
go on
don't
mute.
know
I
if
don't
you
know
go
if you
unmute.
go unmute.
I'm getting the echo. Okay. Reciprocal of 2 1 by 3 means, first you have to convert this into fraction. 2 1 by 3 means 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 7, and then by 3.
Sir,
7 by
three
3,
upon seven.
so it will be reverse 3 upon 7. Simple. And this one you remember. If you are multiplying minus 1 odd number of times, the result is always minus 1. If you are multiplying minus 1 even number of times, the result is always 1, positive 1. Okay. So here how many
Okay.
times you are multiplying? 5 times odd
The
number.
5 times.
So answer is minus 1. Because what happens, you see, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, then plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1, again minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, again plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So
-1.
minus 1. In that fashion it is minus 1. And no matter
Yes,
how
sir.
many numbers you multiply, if one of the number is 0, the result is always 0. That also you remember. Okay, I will
Okay,
tell
sir.
some important points in textbook after this paper. So you have to concentrate on those also. Okay, now you see 36
Yes, sir.
divided by A is minus 9. Then what is the value of A?
It's 36.
So 36 by A is equal to minus 9. Okay, 36 by A is equal to minus 9. So A you send to the other
Okay.
side and minus 9 you bring to the 36 side. So when minus, so this will be like 36 by A is equals to minus 9. This minus 9 will come this side and this A will go this side. So this will be like 36 by minus 9 is equals to A. So A is equals to 36 by minus 9. Again here, if one numerator is positive, if one of the numerator and denominator is like negative, then the result is negative. If both are negative, the result is positive. Both are positive, result is positive. But if one is positive and another is negative, the result is negative. Now 36 by 9 is 4, you know. But here you are not doing 36 by 9, you are doing 36 by minus 9. So answer is, what is the answer?
Sir, would be
See, 36 by A is equals to minus 9. Now to find the value of A, what you will do, this is 36 by A is equals to minus 9. This A you send other side of equal to, this minus 9 you send this side of equal to. So when it comes to this side, it comes in denominator. So it will be like 36 by minus 9. What is
yes, sir.
36 by 9? Just forget about minus or plus. What is 36 by 9?
36 by 9 is
9 table, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. You have to be perfect with the tables. Now You should not be in a stage like I have to repeat the tables. Up to 20 tables you have to be very perfect, then only you will be good in maths. If you are not perfect, then you do lot of mistakes. So at any time when you are sleeping and I wake you up and I ask what is 18 Pfizer, you should be in a state that it is 90. You should tell like that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
be perfect with the tables first. So 36/9 is 4. Now as I told, if one of the numerator and denominator is minus, the result is minus. So answer is minus 4.
-4.
Okay, that is the
Yes, sir.
answer. Next, 2 by 3 of a year. The same one. Whenever off comes, you replace with multiplication. Year means 12 months. So it is like 2 by 3 into 12 months. 3 goes here 4 times. So the answer will be,
Sir, 8.
yeah, 8 months. 2 by 3 into 12 months. 3 goes in 12 4 times. So 2 into 4, 8 months. If they ask you 1 by 2 of a year,
1/2 of a year.
how many
Sir,
months?
it
Sir,
would
6
be
months.
6 months. 1 by 4 of a year,
1/2. So 6 months.
1 by 4 of a year,
1/4 of a year.
3 months.
3 months. 3 by 4 of a year,
3/4.
9 months. 9 months. Because 1 by 4 is 3 months. 3 by 4 means into 3 times, 9 months. The closure property of integers does not hold for. Which one it does not hold? Now, first of all, tell me what is closure property? What do you mean by closure property of integer? What do you mean by closure property of integer? See, you have two integers a and b. Okay, if you take two integers a and b and if you do a plus b, the result is something. There's some result. Now, if a and
Yes,
b
sir.
are integers and the result is also integers, we say it is closed under addition. The integer set is closed under addition. Now, for
Yes,
example,
sir.
take two positive integers, 3 and 2. Now, if I add 3 and 2, what I will get? Both 3 and 2 are integers, I get 5. 5 is also integer. So it is closed under addition. Okay? Right?
Yes, sir.
Even if you take the negative, minus 3 and minus 2. You add minus 3,
Sir, it.
you add minus 3, minus 2, the result is minus 5. All are integers. Minus 3 minus 2 is integer, minus 5 is also integer, so it is closed under addition, integer.
Addition.
If you take any two numbers which are integers and do some operation on them, whether addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, only these operations are there. After doing that operation, whatever you get the result, if that result is also integer, then it means it is closed under that particular operation. So now we took two integers a and b and we got like integer. So it is closed under addition. But he's not asking hold for, does not hold for is asking. Does not hold for. So this does not apply. Right? The closure
Yes,
property
sir.
of integer hold for additions. Why it hold for additions? Just now I told. If you take two integers,
Yes,
you
sir.
get result and all are integers, then it is closed under that one. So it addition of integers is closed under addition of integers is closed. Integers is closed. Or you can say integers are closed under addition. Why I say this one? Why I say this one? Because of this one. If I take two integers and I do some addition operation on these two, I get result which is also an integer. So integers are closed under addition. Okay, are closed under addition. So is not telling which which are closed, which are not closed is asking. Now we'll see multiplication. Now if you take two integers, the same one, and if you do a into b multiplication, and you get some result. Now if a and b are integers and result is also integer, then it is closed under multiplication. Integers is closed under multiplication. The same example you
Yes, sir.
take 3 and 2. If you multiply, what happens? 3 into 2 is what? Is 6.
6.
Now 3 is integer, 2 is integer, 6 is also integer. That means what? What you will say here? What you will say here?
Multiplication of integers is closed under multiplication. I mean,
Multiplication
multiplication
of
of
integers
integers
is
is
closed,
closed
or integers are closed under multiplication. Either way you can say.
multiplication.
Okay,
Yes.
multiplication. Now the next one we will see. What is the next one? Subtraction.
Subtraction.
If you take two integers and if you do like a minus b or b minus a, either one you do, you get the result as integer, then it is closed under subtraction. Same two numbers you take, either you do 3 minus 2, which is what result is minus 1, or you do like 2 minus 3, the result is minus 1. 2 3 minus 2 is result is plus 1. Now what? This is integer, this is integer, and 1 is also integer. This is integer, this is integer, minus 1 is also integer. Now what you will say? What you will say?
Mul- Subtraction of
Yeah,
integers is closed,
subtraction.
or in
Subtraction of integers is closed, or you can
or
say
integers are
integers are
closed
closed
under
under
subtraction.
subtraction. But if you take the final one, these all things holds now. Okay, he's asking which does not hold. So obviously the answer is division. Why division? If you take two
Because
integers a and b, and if you do the division of a and b, like a divided by b, you get some result. Now if a, b and result are all integers, then you say it is closed under division. Now for example, you take same two numbers, 3 divided by 2. What is the result? It is a fraction.
just
It is a
it is,
fraction, or it
yes.
is some decimal. Now is this integer?
No, sir.
It is not integer, it is either fraction or some decimal value. So what you say? Division of integers is
Is
not closed, or you can say integers are
integers are
not
not
closed
closed
under
under division.
the division. So what is the answer? What is the answer?
Division.
Division. The answer is division. Clear?
Yes, sir.
You have to be very clear with these properties: closure,
Okay, sir.
commutative, edit, associative, and distributive. These four properties you have to be very clear. Next one: the temperature of hot metallic rod is 278. If it cools 3 degrees every 1 minute, then what after 30 minutes? Now the temperature is 278. Okay, after every 3 minutes, what happens? It reduces by 1 degree centigrade, means minus 1, right? Minus 1, right? So after 30 minutes, how much it will reduce? 3 into
After
10 means minus,
mine.
sorry, what is the question? I think I got it wrong. It reduces after 3 degrees after every 1 minute. So after I
3
gave wrong.
degrees.
After every 1 minute, the temperature reduces by 3 degrees centigrade. Okay. Now after 30 minutes, how much it will reduce?
Sir, 10 degrees.
Not 10. 1 minute, 3. 30 minutes?
Yes, sir. 30 degrees.
No, no, not 30. For 1 minute, it reduces 3 degrees. For 30 minutes, how much it reduce? 30 into 3, no?
Yes, sir.
90 degrees.
33 is 90 degrees,
90
sir.
degrees it reduce. But what is the original 278? Now after 30 minutes, what it will be? Minus 90. This is nothing but 188. So that is the answer.
Okay, sir.
After every 1 minute, 3 degrees it reduces. After 30 minutes, it reduces 90 degrees. So answer is 278 minus 90, 188. Again here, either you can go by LCM this thing, or you can go by decimal thing. What is 3 by 2?
Sir, LCM would be easy.
Yeah, it depends on your convenience. But
Yes,
if
sir.
you ask me, I will go with the decimal thing. See, 3 by 2 means 1.5. Okay. This will be like 1.2. This is 1.5. This is 1.2. And 4 by 3 means 1.3. So this is 1.5. This is 1.2. This is 1.3. And this is less than 1. See here, 4. 4. 4 is less than denominator. Less than 1 means point 4 something it will get. So first one will be 4 by 9. Okay. This is 1.2. This is 1.5. This is 1.2. This is 1.3. So next one will be 6 by 5. Next 4 by 3. And finally 3 by 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is how you have to solve this one. So this is done
Okay,
with the
sir.
first part. We go with the second part of 25, 26. There are not much. Now you see, suitable property. Sh- Suitable property you have to tell, and you have to do the simplification. Which property will be applicable here for the first one?
Sir, we will take
See, it is like this: 76 into minus 92, okay, plus 76 into minus 8, right? So in this one, you can take 76 common, right? If you take 76 common, so here will be minus 92, okay? And then you got plus sign, and this 76 you are taking common out, 76. So what is remaining there? Minus 8, right? So this
yes,
is
sir.
what? 76 into minus 8 minus 92. How much? Minus 8 minus 92. How much?
-8 -92.
Huh. Minus 8, so plus minus 92, or minus 92 plus minus 8. How much?
Plus minus.
Is it 100 or minus 100?
Sir, it would be 100 because minus minus it will become
No, no, you are not
plus.
doing multiplication here. You are doing addition here. You see here. You are not doing a multiplication. You are doing addition. Say, for example, okay, you take some here, some line, for example. Okay, this is the line. Wait, we will erase this one. We'll take somewhat thicker one or bolder one. We'll take this one. To Z. How can I draw this one? I don't know.
Sir, you can use marker.
Which marker?
Sir, in that pen brushes column is there. Click on that. You will get options like brush, crayon, marker, and that. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
that only I'm taking. One more, one more. Give me. Okay, okay, okay. Stop it. So say here you are here. Say this is like 0. This is like 0. Okay. This is like minus 92. This is like minus 92. Okay. This is 0 and this is minus 92. Okay. Now you are going 8 steps backward. One, 2, 3, like that. You are going again 8 steps backward. So this one will be what? Like at this point when you are going here, what will be that one? You're going here from this 8 steps like this, one, 2, 3, like this. When you're going 8 steps here, now what will be here? The answer will be minus 100. 8 times you're going 90, minus 92, minus 93, minus 94, like that, minus 100. So it is
Yes,
minus
sir.
100. This is not plus 100, it is minus 100. So the answer is 76 into minus 100. So again you have one positive and one negative. The answer is negative. And 76 into 100, it is 7600. So this is the answer. Minus 7600. Okay. And what property
Okay,
you
sir.
are applying there?
So we are applying.
Hmm. But I did the calculation, but I took the wrong picture. Let me give the correct. What property you are applying there? Fast.
I'm not getting it.
Which property are you applying there for simplification? What are the different properties you have?
So different properties we have like closure property, associative property.
Is this closure?
No, sir.
Then what properties? What property is it?
Sir,
You have different property.
it is
Closure.
closure
No, it
because
is not closure. Commutative. Then what else you have? Associative.
associative,
Associative. Then what else you have? Associate.
distributive.
Distributive. Now which one? Any idea? Out of these four?
No,
It is
sir.
not closure. Commutative means what? You are taking two numbers. You are doing either a plus b is equals to b plus a, or a into b is equals to b into a, or a divided b is b divided by a. That is not. We are not taking about this. Associative means what? You are taking two numbers. I am telling you for simple case of addition. If you are doing a plus b, okay, a plus b, and then you are doing plus, here you are doing plus c. This is nothing but a plus, you are doing like same way, b plus c. This is associative. But what is distributive? If you are having like a into b plus c, okay, this is nothing but a into b plus a into c. Now which property is this one you are applying here? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Which property you are applying there? See, a into b plus c is a into b plus a into c. Say this is a, this is b, this is a, this is c. A into b plus a into c. What you are doing? A into b plus c. This is what you are doing there, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
which property is it?
Distributive
You have
property.
to say distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive
Okay, sir.
property of multiplication over addition, like that you have to say. So it is distributive property. Now next one, which one? For this one, what is the answer? 125 into minus 71 into minus 8. You have two numbers, a, b and c. What is A? 125. Okay. What is
Yes,
B?
sir.
Into minus 71, into minus 71. Then what is C? Minus 8. So here is
Eight.
nothing but something like this: A into B into C. Okay, something like this. What you are doing, it is something like you are doing A into C into B, or A into B into C, like this one, A into B into C, is you are doing like A into B into C. Okay, first one you are doing this one. Now here what you are doing, minus one, so 125 into 8, this one you can do, no, both of these two, because it is all multiplication. It doesn't matter if you do this one first, these two first, or these two first. Okay, 125 into minus 8 you can do, right? First one, 125
125
into
to minus
minus 8, how much? One is positive and one is negative, so the answer is negative. And 125 into 8, how much? 125 twos are 250, fours are 500, then eights are 1000, right?
1000.
It is minus
Yes, sir.
1000. Then you are doing minus 72. Okay, so minus 1000 into minus 72. How much answer? Both are negative.
Minus 1.
No, no, no. Both are negative. The answer will be positive. Minus 1000
Yes,
is
sir.
negative. Minus 72 is negative. So the answer is positive. Or simply you say, don't keep any sign. It is 7200. Right or
Yes,
wrong?
sir. Yes,
So
sir.
which
Because
property
minus
you are
minus it
using
would
here
be.
now? Which property you are using? You have to do
Sir,
simplification,
we
and
are
you have to tell also
using.
which property you are using. Which property is it?
Sir, it is.
Associative property. Just now I told,
Yes,
no,
sir.
associative property. This is associative. You have to be very clear with the properties, then only you will be able to solve this one. Okay, this one you can solve. this
Okay, sir.
this is like 4 2 by 3. You first simplify this to 14 by 3, then inner bracket you solve. So this will be like 8 by 3 minus 9 by 2 minus 10 by 3. Okay, so when you solve that one, you will get like minus 31 by 6. This entire thing will be minus 31 by 6. So minus of minus 31 will be 31 plus 31 by 6. So the result something will be like 12 by 3 minus 6 plus 31 by 6. So at the end the answer will be minus 13 by 2. You have to solve this one,
Yes, sir.
or do you want me to solve it?
No, sir.
You can solve, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Next one, wait, I got like the answers for this one. Let me download that one and I'll try to explain from that one. I think this one I downloaded. Okay, you can open this one and I can explain the calculated one. Okay, so here is the calculate, but this is not clear. Okay, it's okay. So the
Yes,
calculations I
sir.
have done here. So you will get 12 by 3 minus this one will be, I did not take it properly. So finally we'll get minus 13 by 2. Okay, next one, the sum of two numbers is 2 5 by 12. 2 5 by 12. So first one you have to convert this to proper fraction. So 2 into 12, 24 plus 5. It will be like 29 by 12. If one number is 13 by 15, so what will be the other number? Other number will be the sum minus one number. 29 by 12 minus 13 by 15. You do the, what do you say, LCM of 12 and 15. Uh, okay, you do this one and you get like, this will be going 60, you will get 12 and 15 LCM is 60. So this one, numerator denominator you multiply by 5, and for this one, this is 15, no, you multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. So it will be like 145 minus this one. What is that one? 52. 13 fours are 52. 145 minus 52 by 6. So the answer will be like 31 by 20.
Yes, sir.
31 by 20. Now again the same kind of question you see here. A cement bag earns 8 rupees profit on white cement and loss of 5 rupees on grey cement. The company sells 6,000 bags. The company sells 6,000 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of grey cement. So 6,000 bags it is selling. So it is getting 8 rupees. So profit is 6,000 into 8, 48,000. And loss means grey cement. It is getting a loss of 5 rupees. How many sold grey cement bags? 5,000. So 5,000 into 5, 25,000. Profit is 48,000. Loss is 25,000. So net out of this profit and loss, profit is bigger. So the net result will be profit. Profit of 48,000 minus 25,000, it is 23,000. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next one. If the total profit earned by selling white cement is 6,400, how many white cement bags they sold?
It's the total.
Total profit they
Sir,
got.
I cannot see. It's very blur.
Okay, I will go to this one. Might be you can see. Okay, you can see now this one.
Yes, sir.
If the total profit
The
earned by
total
selling the number of white cement is 6,400, find the total number of white bags sold. White cement bags sold.
total profit earned by selling a number of
See, total
one,
profit
two,
they earned is 6,400. Now, if they are selling one white bag cement, how much profit they are getting? 8 rupees, right?
8 rupees. Yes, sir.
So he gave total profit. Now he's asking how many bags he sold. What you have to do? He got profit of 6,400. How many bags he sold? He did not give. He just gave the total profit. But for one bag, he's getting 8 rupees. That means how many
Eight
bags
rupees.
he should have sold such that he got 6,400. How many he sold?
Sir, 800.
800. You have to just divide 6,400 by 8. It is
Yes, sir.
800. 800 bags he sold. So like this type of questions also will come. Okay. You concentrate more on Bodmer's rule kind of problems and then ascending order kind of problems. Sum of two numbers, then one number is given, what is the another number, that kind of problems, and something related to the closure associative, commutative and distributive properties, and something related to like how many questions they have answered correct, how many they have answered wrong, then what is their total
Yes, sir.
marks, like those kind of questions. Now you open the textbook, I will tell important things that you have to check. Have you opened?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's open.
Okay, in the first page, you see on the left hand side, 0 is neither negative nor positive. That is important. You note
First
down and
page.
this one. And in the
Yes,
first
sir.
page only, bottom right, he has given those four rules. Positive plus positive is, if you are doing addition, it is positive. Negative and negative, you are doing addition, result is negative. If you are doing positive, negative, then whichever is bigger, that will be the sign. So that is important,
Yes,
that
sir.
table. Next, in page 2, you don't have much, but come to page 3. In page
Page,
3, you have this one.
page
The
3.
sum of two integers is always an integer. For any two integers, if you take a and b, a plus b is always an integer. So that is important. Next one, in general, if a and b are any two integers, then a plus b is b plus a. That is addition is commutative. In general, if any a and b are any two integers, then a plus b is b plus a. That is called commutative property under addition. That is important
Yes, sir.
on the right hand side. Next, associative is also important. In general, for any three integers a, b, c, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So that box is important. The three boxes on page number 3. Next, next page, page number 4. The first box. In general, for any integer a plus 0 is 0 plus a is always a. A plus 0 plus 0 plus a is always a. So what is that 0
Yes,
is
sir.
called? That 0 is called additive identity. That 0 is called additive identity, because if you are adding a 0 to any number, the result is always that number. So that is why we say 0 is a additive identity. Next one, additive inverse. This is also important. The next box. In general, for any non-negative integer a, there exists another integer minus a such that a plus minus a is equals to 0. That is nothing but minus a plus a. That is also important. So what is additive integer? Additive, sorry, additive identity for additive identity, that is 0, and additive inverse is the negation of that particular number. Additive inverse is
Yes,
the
sir.
negative negation of that number. Okay, those two boxes important. That is page number 4. Next, you come to page number 5. Two boxes are there. You concentrate more on that one. Positive integer into negative integer is negative integer. Negative integer into positive integer is equals to negative integer. Okay, those two boxes you
Yes,
note
sir.
down. Those two are important. Next comes the signs. Come to page number 6, bottom right.
Page
Plus
number
into
six.
plus is plus, minus into minus is minus. You see here, he is also given at the bottom. Spawn. Same sides, same sign positive, opposite sign negative. You get negative only
Yes,
if one
sir.
of the sign is negative. Okay, that box is important. And the next box here also. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. So if you do odd number of times, the result is minus 1. If you do even number of times, the result will be plus 1. For example, minus 1 power 908. See here is doing even number of times. So result is 1. And if you are doing like minus 1 power 1521, the result is minus 1 because it is odd number. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next you come to page number 8. In
Hmm.
general, if a and b are two integers, then the product is also integer. Means multiplication is closed under integers. Next one, similarly associative. In general, if a, b, c are three integers, then a into b into c is equals to a into b into c. Okay, we have seen additive identity, which is 0, and additive inverse is minus of that number. Similarly, for multiplicative identity, it is 1. Any number you multiply by 1, you get the same number. So 1 is called multiplicative identity.
Yes, sir.
And if a and b are two integers, then a into b is b into a. Always a into b is equals to b into a. Similarly, you see on page number 9, ABC are three integers, then A into B plus C is A into B plus A into C. This is distributive property, page number 9. Whatever the boxes are there, you write down on a separate sheet and practice multiple number of times. Then you will be able to solve all these problems. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we stop here and I will upload this. You can go through all these ones. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Prepare well.
Thank you.
Bye.